So I think people attending the Aquapalooza are probably going to be listening to your forecast closely
Yes,
today and tomorrow.
I was right there last weekend, in fact.
Yeah.
It was even cloudy, and it was kind of nice to have the clouds. This weekend, lots of sunscreen. We're going to be at Aquapalooza there. Anywhere out in the beaches and the boating. We are, in the middle or getting close to the peak of the hurricane season, and NOAA has revised their forecast. And unfortunately, they've revised it upward, not downward. And we have gone through the longest streak here in the state of Florida. The last hurricane to hit was Wilma back in 2005, and we're approaching 11 years now, and that is the longest streak without a hurricane. Well, anyway, they are suggesting more named storms. We've already had 5, and we've had 2 hurricanes. So these actually take these into account. So 5 to 8 hurricanes should really be downgraded now to, if you expect 3 to 5 hurricanes remaining, 3 to 7 hurricanes, maybe, who knows. They're saying there could be as many as 8 more hurricanes, and we average about 6 a year, and then 2 to 4 major hurricanes are anticipated. We haven't had any major storms yet, so we would not like to see 4 major hurricanes before the season is over. The reason why they are suggesting a little bit more activity the remaining of the hurricane season is because we're going to see more tropical waves coming off the coast of Africa, which tend to turn into tropical systems. And there's about 60 on average a year that come off the coast of Africa. And of those 60, about 10 developed into a tropical cyclone of some sort. But with more storms as a result of increased monsoonal season in West Africa, we could see a little bit more activity. Let's hope they stay out there in the Atlantic. Lakewood Ranch webcam showing clouds on the increase. Pretty nice sunny day today. You can see those clouds starting to gather a little bit, and we will start to see some storms popping up near the coast in just about an hour's time. Now, as far as the radar picture goes, there's that east coast breeze making its way all the way over. The west coast really not doing much. However, we're going to see that collision take place in less than an hour, I do believe. The outflow from these storms are generating off to the west. We kind of sensitize the radar a little bit to see that outflow, and you can see there's that one line right there. And then the west coast sea breeze is right about there. And when these two meet, as I said, in about an hour's time, a little less than that, we'll start to see more storms firing up here in the eastern portions of Manatee County, also into Sarasota County, working its way down toward Charlotte County. So we're not out of the woods yet. Showers and storms scattered about through the late evening, and then clearing skies. Dew point 74, temperature at 90 degrees. It was a hot one today again, near record-breaking 94 degrees, a record of 95. No rainfall to report, and we could use a little bit. We're below average for the month and the year, and temperature statewide, they've cooled to 81 in Orlando, 90 in Sarasota, and temperature of 81. Arcadia's had some rainfall, as well as Lake Placid, Sebring, all cooling down a bit, but still pretty warm, although cooler right near the coast. This particular model indicating storms up until about 10 o'clock tonight, and then pushing off into the Gulf of Mexico. Tomorrow, a little bit better chance to see that convergence set up with showers and storms in the afternoon and evening hours. That chance a little higher to see some rain near the coast. And Saturday and Sunday, looking for more of the same as we move through time. Well, in the tropics, all is quiet right now, and 80% of the storms usually occur from late August all the way through early October. So we have the heart of the hurricane season to go yet. This storm, if it had been over water, maybe 200-300 miles further south, it would have definitely been a tropical storm by now. But since it's over land, it doesn't have a chance to form because it needs that warm fuel of the ocean, or the Gulf of Mexico in this case, to really warm up. 88 degrees in Pittsburgh. It's warmer now in Detroit than it is here in Sarasota. 97 in both Wichita and Omaha. For boaters, looks like this. Seas running 2 feet or less with a light chop out there. Another good day for boating. Water temperature at 89, by the way. Looks like through the weekend for all the boaters looks to be okay as well. High tide at 9:20 and sunset at 8:11. Tonight, showers developing here the next hour or so near the coast, and then partly cloudy skies afterwards. 77 for a low. Tomorrow, a better chance for those late day storms, a high near 90 degrees, but all in all, another nice hot summer day. The extended forecast, a little change really, maybe a change in some rain chances on Sunday and Thursday, but all in all, it looks fairly typical for this time of year. Thankfully, no hurricanes around.